Okay, trying a failed second entry long, first entry long, second entry long. See if we can get this guy going. Dropped a limit order, by the way, as well. Should have room down to this downside here where the blue line is. 2-point stop. It's been a trading range, so this is a little risky, but saw this first entry long, second entry long failure, and so we'll see what happens here. Today's been pretty choppy. This will probably be my final trade of the day, so 2 trades total. Actually, looking at this, and I'm wondering if this is overstacked bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of overstacking in a congestion, but I've got a double bottom. If this bar closes red, I'll probably just move the stop 1 tick above that bar. But this actually seems pretty congested now that I'm looking at it and more prices developing. Might just close it for a small loss then. If, because this needs to tick below this double bottom, micro double bottom here. So we'll see. If we get a bearish bar closing, that'd be good. But if we get multiple dojis, then we'll see. I'm not really sure. EMA is holding above here. It's holding 1, 2. The price is rejecting, but usually with these traps, it happens pretty fast. So we'll see. Yep, 1 tick below here. So I'm going to move my stop now to... Perfect. That was a hard trade. That was a very hard trade to endure. I'm usually used to faster scalps, but I'm really trying to not let the goblin brain take over. So that actually marks the 15th trade. So that was a failed second entry long. It was the 15th trade. And man, that was a hard trade to endure. Wow. Okay. I am now also going for 2 points. That was to the tick. And I think I got filled there because of I put the order in so much quicker than anyone. How Ninja Trader's order system is, if you like drop an order as the bars here or whatever, you're like last in queue. Yeah, that was definitely, I think that was a little more risky of a trade. I'm going to reflect here now. That was definitely more of a risky trade. I remember I took the 14th trade here, which was a first entry short, second entry short. Sorry, first entry short, second entry short failure. And I just walked away from this one. And then I got stopped out all the way up here. But if I was here, I actually made, I've seen this pattern enough that I finally recognize that first entry short, second entry short, and I see this type of bar, this bar closing all the way on this low, I'll just reverse the position because this is a trap. But I thought I was right about this for the context of this 14th trade. Downtrend, break. I was looking for a new extreme, but it just didn't work out here. Then I sat through this. I saw this first entry long, second entry long. This seemed like a more picture perfect than this one I just took, but I just missed this one. I just didn't. I just saw this flat. I think then I gained the confidence to finally take something here. I saw this first entry long failure, bearish bar. So first entry long, second entry long failure. And then I'm doing limit orders. I like the limit orders to reduce the risk. And I'm actually only just doing 2 points because I've kind of seen that, like, instead of placing my stop 1 tick above the signal bar here, and just doing 2 points because of the ATR, like most of the time, like almost 90% of the time, if it gets to the 2 points, it's just going to go above the signal bar, and it just stop people out and then reverse. So just managing the actual capital more seems to be better here. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm trying to take only really good setups. I'm just trying to sit through it. Past me would have just seen this not work, close the trade. So yeah, I know this kind of turned into a long video, but halfway there, just 15 more trades to go. It's definitely, I recommend doing this if you're struggling with following a system. But yeah, see you in the next one.